Marlene, before we start, let's have a prayer. Please stand. We have our Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. I'm very glad to see you all here. This time, our attendance sheets because they can see you. And you are Jacob Sabang and the guys Paradosa. Welcome to the Theological University of the Philippines. And I am Iverson James Tianan, your trainer in PV System Installation at NCU. I am very pleased to meet you all. For me, to have more information about you, I have a structured question here that you need to fill out. This will help me to know your proper characteristics and learning style, and this serves as my guide in preparing your learning activities. You have 10 minutes to finish. Time's up. Mr. B. Thank you. I can see here you both college students, right? Physically, and you have both the same learning style, this visual learning style. So this will help me to prepare your learning activities. This time, I want you to answer the self-assessment check. This checklist is competencies required in this qualification to determine the current competencies and the self-assessments. Check. I will be able to understand skill competencies in each one of you, so that the skill competencies that you are already required is no longer being repeated. This will take on a guess, although or no although, if this will properly is different competencies enumerated in the checklist. If you check yes, make sure you know and remember the last in that competence. Also, if taking yes, you will undergo RPL, and which you undergo institutional assessment, which will be divided into written demonstration or question. Are you done? Please pass the paper. Okay, Mika. Upon checking on studying PV system, we should write the volume that present proof of evidence is to be the certificate of award of certificate of ratings and other rated groups, and by tomorrow you undergo individual assessment. Now, let you answer the quiz that would initial test your underpinning knowledge on the competency in PV system installation and to determine your baseline knowledge and preparedness in this qualification. You have 30 minutes to finish the pre-test. Okay, are you done? Okay, please pass the paper. Alright. Thank you very much. So now, let's proceed to our orientation. Once again, welcome to Technological University of the Philippines. TUP is a test-accredited training center that produces quality and technical education skills development. So let's start our overview about competency-based training CBT. Competency-based training. Number 1, CBT procedures. Number 2, rule of trainers, rule of training, the competency that has to be covered based on PR, the use of CBLM, instructional activities and resources, workshop and station, the evaluation system. What is CBT? CBT is curricula have been designed that prepare trainings for demonstration of their knowledge, skill, attitude to perform or translate successfully. We have a CBT principle. Role of the trainer. Trainer as facilitator. Trainer
as the counselor, trainer as the role model. Role of the training. Select one when and how one to learn. Compete against the present drug standard. Evaluate their own progress. Competencies that has to be covered on basic competency and common competency. Perform site assessment. Check PV components, materials, and compliance. Install PV system. Perform PV system commission. Evaluation tools. Written test, basic test, direct observation, test, post test, performance test, oral question.
That's all. Thank you. Do you have any question or clarification? Please get your notebook and ball pen and please stand up. I will take you to the different part of our workshop. So let's have first area. So these are contextual laboratory. So this laboratory area is to ensure that your underlying knowledge and skill in installation provided to you. So we will use this area, okay? Next, we have a resources area. So we here in the resources area, you can see the blueprint and this also for the trainer. Where we make learning materials for your training, okay? So next, we have the institutional assessment area. This is one of the most important part of our workshop because this is where assessment is done, especially your assessment material, something like that. And then this is also where recognition for learning is done. Okay? So next, we have a practical work area. In our practical work area, so this is where the work brings acquired the skills needed for this particular qualification. Okay? Now, let's have a learning resources area. So in our learning resources area, you can see non-print and print material that you can use as your reference. It's not that I can do. Now let's have a distance learning area. So in distance learning area, you can have a non-print and print media in our distance learning area, and you can take it home. Okay? So next, we have computer laboratory. Let's see the difference of any other forms of computer that we can use for our work. Let's see the Excel, internet. If you want to use computer, let's use computer. Now lastly, our support service area. So in our support service area, this area which provide public and competency, technical, professional, or system in addressing and building skills and competency. Do you have any question about the tool or workshop so far? Okay, let's go back to the topic. So for your assignment, those checklists are self-assessment checklists. Please provide your evidence tomorrow. Okay? So please stand up. We can pray before we leave. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Bye. Welcome to day 2. Before we start, please stand. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Please take a seat. And now let me check your attendance. Please say, hear what I told you. And please sign the attendance. Bigay na Esperanza. Sign. Job mo sa ako. Sign. Let us look at the part of giving chart and progress card. Wow. One of you have already completed as the unit of competency in this qualification. Let's give a hand for Miguel Esperanza. Please continue your photo number 2 and Miss Espinosa. This company institutional assessment instruction here.
Okay, pass the paper.
Now, please give me a moment. I will check your paper. Wow, that's fantastic, Miss Paragosa. According to your score in your pretest, you got 28 out of 45. That is not bad. However, in your post-test, you got 42 out of 45. Wow, that's nice. Wow. That's been the Pioneer University in the knowledge community training. Congratulations. Now, for that, I will give you a certificate condition. That will be the citation for you. Now, for that, I will give your certification of completion. Republic of the Philippines Technological University of the Philippines Global Communication Award. This certificate completion to Micaela Espalagosa